Hello, my name is James Hickey, and I'm the founder of SD Networking Events here in San Diego. And what I'm going to do here is what's called an explainer video, and I'm going to spend a short time over here to tell you all about SD Networking Events, how to find our upcoming events, how to join as a member. So not to waste any more time, let me get right to it. So when you come here, this is the top of the homepage. I mainly want you to attend events. So click here to attend events. From here, it's going to take you to my Eventbrite. And from here, you can see all the upcoming events. Right now, I have three. I've done 22 past events. So if you want to go look at some of the past ones, been around since 2011 now, June. I'm going on 2 years. So the right now, we got June 8th coming up. This is a wellness summit, and I have a digital marketing summit coming in September. We also do entrepreneur workshops, mindset workshops, things like that. And then we have a business showcase. And what I do is these three types are every quarter, so every 3 months, there'll be one wellness workshop or summit. There'll be a business showcase, like a business expo, where you get your own table and you can have your swag, you can promote your business, you can have a computer, you can have banners, whatever it is. You stand at your table, people walk around and meet you and learn about your business from talking to your table, your booth, like an expo. And the third one is straight up networking events where you go there, we get a name badge, we walk around, mix and mingle, have a couple short little speakers, but it's mainly just for making connections. And those are the three types. So every 3 months, I rotate on these three. So go back to the website here. From here, you can scroll down, and there's three different style events. Goes into a little more detail on each one of them that I just spoke about. I have some corporate sponsors here, Power Team International and Stephen Dela Cruz. I'm looking for two more corporate sponsors. So if you'd like to have a huge reach and learn about a lot of people and get a lot more exposure to your company and reach a lot of people in San Diego, and I'll tell you what you get in a second here. I'm going to move over to the About section here real quick. From here, looks great on mobile too. From here, it's a little bit about me. I started at SD Network Events 2011. I've been in digital marketing space since 2008. That's when I started my agency. If you want to talk digital marketing with me, you can get a free strategy session here. And I've got some more information about why you should attend events. So read through that. And the last thing is join. And join, this is where you can come as a one-time, you can show up to every event if you want to and pay a monthly fee for every event, $15 to $20, sometimes $30 at the door. But what I wanted to do is I want to build a community of like-minded people and people who want to network and have power partners and grow together. And you can have, I can have more than one from each profession. So there could be several realtors, several marketing people like me, and other options. So what you got here, you can read through this yourself. I'm not going to go bullet point to bullet point when you go to the site. Basic annual membership, 12 events per year. This averages about $8.25 a month. So if you attend the whole year and you pay the $99 for the annual, you get a listing on the website, no line check-in, and then you get a free business table each quarter. If you do the VIP event, you same thing. You get to bring one guest every time, and then on the workshop events, if you're one of the speakers, you can speak at the event. And then the monthly promotions, I have my social media and email list, 150,000 people. So this leads into why you want to do the annual 149. That is actually for $12.41 a month. If you can't spend that on your business, then maybe you might want to look another direction. But this is a great bang for your buck, great networking. There's a lot of money's been made in the group. And the last one is a corporate sponsor, and there it's $500 a month or $6,000 for the year. I have a discount if you want to take the whole year up. So there's a couple pay options there. So those are the main things I want to show you. I want to keep this video short. So if you want to contact us, there's one more page here. You can come down and attend tickets here. There's my phone number. There's my email. If you have any other questions, contact me. And I look forward to seeing you at one of my events, helping you grow your business. And I'm a super connector. I'd love to connect you with the exact target client that you're looking for. and let's all help each other and make some money together. Thanks for your time. Bye.